Today we're going to take a look at the glass block that I keep on the little bistro set table outside on the back patio by the barbecue. I have two of them. It came in a 2-pack. I had mentioned in the video the backyard in full summer mode for 2025 that this thing doesn't last long. It's on because it's dark enough in here. It's almost as bright, pretty close, but this lasts maybe an hour if you're lucky. This lasts way longer. This I kept in the package, and this thing just never really did it. It always was a bit lackluster in the battery department, usually only about an hour, but this can go for hours and hours and hours. So bad battery in here. Now, I had mentioned in that backyard in full summer mode video that I kind of painted myself into a corner with this, and you can see it here. See how there's screws there? Well, the problem is it slides around. This one, I put these rubber-ish pads on there, not knowing I actually opened the unit up and sealed it with hot glue. And yeah, even in the sun, the glue is holding, and it actually did make a seal. But I had forgotten that there were screws under this, so I got to peel these off now and open this up. I took the top off of it and found there was no way to the inside, and that's when I realized there were screws. That was dumb. I should have looked at this one to start with. It would have told me. It would have told me. But I didn't, so we're going to take a look at that. I have a spare battery. It might have charge on it, and we'll see about replacing it. I don't know if I can, but we'll take a look. Now, I have had a look-see in this before. I had thought that the switch on it was a little knackery because it wasn't really... It kind of flickers when you press it. So I saw that, I hit it with contact cleaner, and indeed it certainly fixed that up. It's a lot better than it was. I can't say it's totally fixed, but that was probably one problem that certainly wasn't helping anything. So you take these out, and now this is supposed to come out, and it doesn't. Oh, maybe. There. Hi! Almost ripped wires off. Not good. So, oh, maybe this actually is a lot easier than I thought. I thought they had a wire soldered to it, but maybe it's just the tabs on this. Let me see. Yeah, the tabs on it are just kind of folded over. So I should be able to just kind of move those out of the way, and maybe this will just be a direct, easy replacement. Just kind of bend that up and sort of, well, there, it was really difficult. Okay, so this is a AA 400 milliamp hour 1.2 volt nickel metal hydride. That is hot. It also is very lightweight. This battery is more heavier. This is, what was that again? 400. This is a 480. It's a Tronic Energy Assist 2400, ready to use. Eco, great. So what did it say? Yeah, 480 milliamp hours, and then over here it says 2400 milliamp hours. Oh, charging time. That's what it says. Charging time, 7 hours, 480 milliamp hours, and it puts out 2400 milliamp hours. Okay, that's good. So we can simply just pop that in like that. I'll turn it so I know what it is, and we'll just sort of bend these back down. And I guess this was a lot easier than I thought. There. Okay, let's turn it on. It's too light in here. We'll shut the room lights. I don't know if that battery's got a charge on it, but... oh, it does. It does. She's chooching. That's awesome. I love that kind. When I saw the battery in there with the things and the wire, I thought maybe it was soldered to it or something, and I thought this was going to be a much more involved thing, but nope, that was just too terribly easy. So we can put the screw back. I had gotten this at Lidl, or Lidl, or however you want to say it. It's that small place, the little one. Get in there. Run it backwards. There's no threads to cat. It doesn't do that on this kind. It's just crappy construction. What do you expect? The battery didn't make it. But yeah, this was way easier than I thought. My goodness. Way more easier. The neatest trick would be if the little rubber foots go back on without my having to reapply. Hey, I think we can get away with this. Let's try this without the spectacles. No, it's better with. Alright, pretty good. A little plastic thread. It's no more. These little foots here don't stick on their own. I guess maybe they're old or something like that. So I put adhesive transfer tape on the back of them, and I redid that when I opened this the first time. And I guess that stuff is still holding and is pretty good, but you see how it covers over the screws, so I had forgotten that it had screws. So I tore this completely apart and tore it completely down for nothing with the glass part. And I'll tell you what's in there while we're at it. They actually used like silicone in here, and I could have done that, but that was too much work. So I just tried hot glue, and it didn't work the first time because it rained and there was condensation inside, and that wasn't good. So I re-glued it, and that seems to be holding. If I didn't tell you that, you almost wouldn't know. A little bit there that you see, and I'm not going to pick it out, but it otherwise is holding and keeps the water out. In here, there is a circuit board, a solar panel, and it's an all-in-one design. It's all integrated with 4 LED, almost like cob chips, but they're just little surface mount LEDs. They look kind of like the cob type things, but no, it's just 4 little surface mount LEDs, and it just looks pretty, and it just sits on the table, and that's all it does. But it's a fixture now. You know, it's part of the backyard regime. So anyway, that's all good. Let's try one more time. Oh yeah. That's going to do it. Awesome. The switch is still a little... See the flickery? But once it's on, it's on. So, there. Fixed. Love that kind. That was easy. Awesome. Alright, thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. I wonder how long this is actually going to last. Going from 400 milliamp hours to 2400? Woo! That's an upgrade. We'll see. Going to be a lot better than just the hour that it did.